Meanwhile, the incoming Senate opposition is ready for the fiscalizing role in the 16th Congress, but they promised not to engage in petty partisan politics. More from Freddy Abando.
This early, the bloc of former Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile has conceded control of the upper chamber to incoming Senate President Franklin Drilon. Drilon formally assumes leadership when the Senate convenes for the 16th Congress in late July. Enrile's allies, Senator Gregorio Hornazon and rookie Senator J.V. Ejercito, said their alliance will fiscalize the administration but will not engage in partisan petty politics.
Pag nilulustay lamang yung pondo at mali yung direksyon ng programa, siyempre kailangan magsalita tayo. Ganun kasi ang prinsipyo ng checks and balances sa isang demokrasya. Mahirap naman yan tumahimik tayo, no? Pero kung karapat dapat naman suportahan yung mga programa ng pamahalaan, lalo sabing 7.8% na economic growth, kailangan suportahan natin, alang-alang doon sa mahirap.
Bilang Pilipino, masaya tayo ng magandang takbo ng ekonomiya, pero ang katunayan din ay meron ding studies o pag-aaral nagsasabing nagana pa rin ang kahirapan. Yan ang ating paglalaban na kung paano natin magkakaroon ng mga solusyon para maibsan ang kahirapan.
Hornazon stressed they are committed to push the Aquino administration's push for inclusive growth to benefit the marginalized sectors. The move to generate jobs, provide housing for the poor, and more benefits for education and health. Hornazon will also push for the enactment of the Freedom of Information Bill and the National Land Use, which failed to pass in the 15th Congress. Both bills were priority measures of the President. In the meantime, returning Congressman Ronaldo Zamora has conceded the leadership of the House to Speaker Feliciano Belmonte. Zamora is setting his sights on the minority leadership. The odds seem to favor Labor Congressman Martin Romualdez, president of Lakas. But it's too early for Zamora to give up his bid given his track record of a tested veteran who never gives up a good fight.
Si Speaker Belmonte has overwhelming numbers. Problema yun. Kaya lang sa proseso namin, kailangan ka tumakbo for Speaker. Yung second place ang nagiging minority leader.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.